Hello, darling. Welcome back to Sarah Kate Style, where fashion meets faith and choosing joy. We're founded on the truth that God looks at the heart, and when your heart is full of joy, it shows. The right outfit doesn't just make you look good, it lifts your confidence, your mood, even your day. So let's get dressed with purpose, reflect God's love, and let your inner beauty shine outward. Sarah Kate Style, joyfully you, inside and out.
Hello! Hello, darling. Happy week. I have been filming a little less this week because I just need a little bit of a vlog break. But now I'm feeling real good and I'm back. Look at this makeup. Oh my goodness, I've been using my professional makeup kit because I'm working on... So I finished... If you watched last week's video, you saw that I finished the personal styling certification. And now I'm learning to be a personal styling coach. Actually, I have a meeting with a personal stylist on Monday just to kind of get insight into the biz as that develops. Working really hard and trying to hold the camera still. But it's kind of hard. It's heavy. And then now I'm working on makeup artistry. So isn't this so pretty? I was like, girl, I haven't been, I don't know why I'm saying girl to myself, but I'm like, girl, I haven't played makeup like this since I was in middle school. Well, like freshman year high school. This is so much fun. Feels so beautiful. I feel so put together. Wearing a short sleeve. I'm starting to exercise again, but a little bit of flabby arms, but we're gonna let it go because I feel great. And I'm really liking it. Really loving today's look. In fact, I'm gonna show you today's look. It's so good. Okay. So today's look is just simple old navy jeans with, I think this is a loft tee, I think. A Chanel necklace, some simple earrings, the makeup, and then I'm probably gonna wear sneakers or something. I have not put on my shoes yet, but I just love this little white tee look. So classic, but has a cute little flowery touch and some earrings and Michael Kors bracelet and the Chanel, and I did the Chanel body spray. Let me show you this. This stuff is like incredible. Oops, sorry. I absolutely love it. But yeah, lots of Chanel vibes this week with what I've been wearing. But that's today's look. Hello, darling. I just finished a new blog post that I will post a description, this week's blog post in the description box. I'm really tired. I'm not making sense. I will make sure to post a link of the blog post that I just wrote and published on Instagram for you there on YouTube because it's from my blog. Did I say that right? I wrote a new blog post that I'm passionate about and I would love for you to read it. I'll make sure there's a link available. Yeah, time to take off this really pretty makeup. Because it's the end of the day and I'm sleepy. And tomorrow is 4th of July, so excited. I love our country. So we're going to some friend's house. Friends of ours, big party. It's going to be a lot of fun. I need to make sure I pack a swimsuit and bring all this stuff. But now I just kind of want to go chill. I think I'm going to go chill. That's the plan, and take my makeup off. But becoming a makeup artist and personal styling coach, so much fun. It's like I was meant to do it or something. See you tomorrow. Good morning, darling. My chronic pain is a little higher today. Not super excited about that, but happy 4th. I love our country. I love Independence Day. I think I said it yesterday, but we're going over to some friends tonight, so I'll be looking at outfits and things and figuring that out soon. But right now I'm gonna rest on the couch because that's what's happening. Okay, if we do decide to swim today, I think this is the swimsuit that I'm thinking. It's very, like, I thought I would look like a weird mint cucumber for a second, but actually I think it's very flattering and I like it. It's very cute. This would be a cute swimsuit to wear. So that will be the swimsuit for today's 4th of July party if I decide to get in the pool. Don't I look a little crazy? I look crazy. But I think I'm gonna wear this cute dress. Just a sport dress all day. So I can try that on and show you. And then if I decide, I'll change into this. I think that's the plan. Hello, Crazy Bangs. I'm back. This is the cute blue sports dress that I could just wear during the day. At first, I thought this was a swimsuit. But since it's a pool party, I think it's fine, provides the necessary coverage, and it's cute. Yeah, I think that's what I'm thinking. Definitely have to use my posture. But I can't tell if I want something light to go over or not. I don't know, but I do know that I need to paint my toes. I think this really pretty bright pink is gonna work because I already have like that red, white, and blue theme going on with my nails. But what little thing would be cute over this, y'all? Like, I even thought about this cute little shirt that I love that I call Meghan Markle inspired, but I'm not sure. I have this, I could wear something else with this adorable beaded boutique buy that's like hand beaded, and it's very pretty, but because obviously this is not gonna work with this. No way. No way, Jose. So I'm not sure. There's quite of options we could go here, but it is supposed to be really, really hot today, but I also don't want to sunburn really bad, so I'm kind of trying to decide what to wear. But inflamed abdomen is reigning true today, and I do not want to look pregnant, and I feel like this kind of gives off that vibe just a little bit, so I might change. I'm not sure, but that swimsuit for sure perfect. Loved that for me. So this is the final fit for the party. Some red lip, a little bit of makeup, just a nice easy breezy shirt, and then those sparkly shoes. But yeah, this is the look. Woo! Ready to go to the party. My gel nails came off, or coming off, just so annoying. So I'm going to paint them and eat this delicious, just little sweet snack of grapes. I know it's lunchtime, but I'm not like super hungry. So I'm probably gonna make a protein shake after. But I'm just gonna either watch a movie or watch some YouTube and take a chill. I'm just chill pill, you know? I'm not doing anything crazy today because it's a holiday and I just feel like resting. So that's where I'm at. I put a little caramel macchiato creamer in my coffee and I'm just gonna chill. I think I'm still gonna go on my walk though after my nails dry. We are headed to the party and I'm eating mints. It's on you. Hi. Yeah, we're headed to the party. My bangs are crazy today. My calic just never wants to stop. It's so annoying. What'd you do today so far, Dylan?
Oh, let me tell you. So, today night with I'll call them Steve and Frank. And Steve and Frank and I stayed at their house. It was great. Woke up, had steak and eggs, and yeah. And then I had a tarp in the back we used for a slip and slide, and it was great. I got all scraped up by the grass, but like it was a great time. And then we played spike ball. Yeah.
There you have it. They had some fun bro time. I didn't know you played spike ball.
Yeah, I sucked because I had soap in my eye, so I couldn't see anything.
That's not good.
It's not good.
I woke up, talked to my friend on the phone for like over almost an hour or maybe an hour. Had another friend come over and drop off some lovely vegetables from her garden. And then I painted my nails, and then I took a nap. Kind of recouped. And now we're headed to the party. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, darling. My calic and my hair is crazy. I just got out of a meeting with a wonderful personal stylist based out of New York City, and it was so extremely helpful. I have notes and I'm just so excited about it, and it was just really helpful for my business. I feel very encouraged because, you know, my background is in business and services, so it's not like I live in New York where I can go intern at a fashion designer brand or a magazine or anything like that. So it was so cool to figure out how I can be involved from the Midwest perspective. So yeah, I just feel really, really good. Sarah Kate's style is gonna be bomb. Hello, my darling. I did some very soft contouring today, and it looks beautiful. And man, do I feel good. At least about my makeup. Physically, though, I keep having sometimes terrible migraines, and they're not going away. So I was supposed to go do worship with worship on the worship team tonight with my hubby wubby, but I told him, I was like, loud noises, loud music, it's probably not gonna happen, unfortunately, tonight. So I had to text the group that I needed to stay home, but at least I'm looking really good, right? Nah, I also gotta do some laundry, so resting, and when I get the energy, I'm gonna go downstairs and do some laundry because it's bad. It's like really bad. I may or may not have worn some of my husband's undies. Did I just admit that on a YouTube channel? Yes, I did, because I cannot be the only one out there who's been desperate enough when they really need to do laundry. That was probably TMI-ish. My mom, who's my #1 fan, is probably gonna watch this and go, Sarah Kate, why would you mention that on the YouTube? But honestly, she's kind of valid in wondering that. This is how my brain works. This is like literally my life all day. I'm like, I'm gonna share that. Maybe I shouldn't have, but maybe I should have, because at the same time I want to be real and genuine, but that's how it's going. Yeah.